look, this is your donation. This spot's here. Last probably 4 or 5 days. And to be honest, look, we don't feel it because what we see in the video is literally, we think it's just a small city that's gone down. But the blast zone, the affected area, if you compare it to the United Kingdom, all the way from London, all the way up to Sheffield, that's more than half of England. That's the damaged area. The city that we went to yesterday, Hatay, is one of the cities affected areas by the earthquake. There's Gaziantep, Kahramanmaraş, Hatay. So Hatay is like a ghost town. Literally, no business is functional. Everything is dysfunctional. The houses, whatever houses remain, has been evacuated. They have moved to either Ankara, Istanbul, and many other cities like Adana, where we are right now, loading this truck. Literally, the people who's living in these tents, they have nothing at all, nothing to buy in Hatay because there's no, like I mentioned, there's no business operating in Hatay, nothing is operating. It's literally a ghost town where the military is on the ground supporting these people. And to be honest, look, these are not poor people. They were like you and I. They had jobs, they had businesses, they had families. Many have lost families. And to be honest, look, when we went to deliver these food packs to them yesterday, and some of them, you know, we spoke to them and they had a normal life. But now they rely help upon the international communities. And to be honest, look, everyone has donated, mashallah. May Allah accept it, taqabbal Allah, minna wa minkum. But the thing is, look, we need to continue, like the way we eat every day, people need to eat as well. And look, I'm going to finish by saying, Allah says, whoever saves a life, it is as if he has saved the life of the humanity. The people have survived this earthquake. It's a miracle, alhamdulillah. But they need to eat every day. And what the Turkish government has pledged to the people, that they will rebuild the city. It's going to take a long time to rebuild the city. But what they need is, they need charities to come in and give food packs to these people. And look, each time you donate, we're on the ground. And look, as long as it's a very hot day today, we're wearing jumpers, 28 degrees, it can be 38 degrees, but we're here only for one reason, for the sake of Allah. And may Allah accept it from you and us. And while we're on the ground, continue to donate, make us work, and inshallah we're on the ground and we'll continue to do this, inshallah. Taqabbal Allah minna wa minkum.